You want to earn real money online from survey sites that actually pay in 2025. I went through dozens of platforms and found 5 legit platforms with over 4 stars reviews on Trustpilot. For those of you who may not know, Trustpilot is a website where we confirm or test the authenticity or genuineness of platforms that claim to offer online jobs to people. So if any platform has up to 4 stars reviews on Trustpilot, it means that many people are using the platform and they are satisfied. They have good testimonies. That is why they have come to Trustpilot to give their reviews. So therefore, stick around till the end because I will show you which platform pays the most and how to get started today. Hi everyone, I'm Innocent and I welcome you to my channel, Cash with YouTube. Here I create videos on how to make legal and legit money online across multiple platforms. So if you want real and proven ways to earn online, subscribe to my channel now so that you don't waste your time on fake ones. Before we dive in, here is one thing you should know. Not every survey site is worth your time. Some don't pay, some disqualify you halfway, and some pay cents for 20 minutes work. So in this video, I am focusing only on sites that are rated 4 stars plus or higher on Trustpilot. So this means that users like you have actually been paid and they have rated these platforms well. So let's start with Top Surveyors, a platform known for quick survey completions and fast payments. It connects you directly to global brands and usually gives you a bonus just for signing up. According to Trustpilot, it has 4.3 stars rating and many users confirm that they receive payment within few days. So if you are looking for an easy start, this is one to check out. Number 2 is paid work. It is not just surveys. You can earn by watching videos, playing games and completing small offers. It is available worldwide and supports PayPal, Bitcoin and bank transfer. It is sitting at around 4.2 stars on Trustpilot with thousands of reviews. This is because many people like its variety of earning methods. Number 3 platform is Prime Opinion. Now Prime Opinion is a newer player. However, it is gaining serious trust fast. It is known for high paying surveys. Some users report earning up to $5 to $10 per surveys. Of course, it depends on your location. Certain locations offer much more money than others. You can cash out through PayPal or gift cards once you hit the minimum threshold. It has over 4 stars rating, which is excellent in the survey world. The next platform is Nice Surveys, and the name fits. Nice Surveys. It is simple, clean, and available on both mobile and desktop. Users love that this platform does not spam you with irrelevant surveys. It has over 4 stars rating on Trustpilot. So this one is great for beginners who want straightforward earnings without complications. The number 5th platform is called House. This one stands out because it offers daily survey updates and referral bonuses. Many reviewers confirm that they have received consistent payments, and that is why it has 4 stars rating on Trustpilot, and it supports PayPal, Trail, and crypto withdrawals. So you have got plenty of options. Now, before we recap, I want you to see the list of these 5 platforms with the year they started, the country of their origin, and the average monthly earnings so that you can make a good choice. I had to check company pages, Trustpilot, and app listings, and business registers so that you can discover the people that are behind these platforms. So here is a list of the 5 legit survey sites that actually pay in 2025. For Top Surveys, it was founded around 2022. From my research, I couldn't really find the host country, but from my research, it shows that it's a global platform, and the average monthly earnings in USD is about $5 to $120. Now, this is average. It means that you can earn higher if you work more. And of course, the payment options, I've said it before in the video. The second one is paid work. It started around 2018. It is owned by a company called Sacramento in California, that is United States of America. And you can earn, the average earning is between $20 to $700. The third one is Prime Opinion. It started around 2022 to 2023. It is owned by a company called Prime Insights Group LLC. It is also a USA company. So the average monthly earnings is between $20 to $300. Of course, the average monthly earning. If you work more, you can earn more. But if you are just average, if you put put in average work. This is the money that you are going to make in a month. The fourth one is Nice Surveys. It was started around 2018 and the host country is United Kingdom. And you can earn between $10 to $150 monthly. Of course, this is average. The fifth company is N-House. It was started in 2021. The host country is USA. And you can earn from $20 to $300 on average. If you put in average work, that's your earning. If you work more, of course, you will earn more. We can see here that all of them have, besides PayPal, other payment options. So in case PayPal does not work in your country, you have a lot of other options through which you can receive your payments. So that's it, guys. We have seen that all of them have over 4 stars rating on Trustpilot. And if I am to choose one, I will choose Paid Work because of the earnings. It has higher earning than the others. And of course, it has solid user feedback. So if you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button so that more people can find these legitimate ways of making money online. And of course, subscribe to Cash with YouTube because I drop videos every day on how to make money online. No scams, no fake promises. And I would also like you to comment below which of these platforms that you are going to try, and I might feature your results in my next video. And coming up next is 3 hidden apps that pay you daily in 2025. Ensure you subscribe so that you will not miss it. Bye.